Have you ever created a branch in Git only to find it looks like it's still on the same line as master? It can be confusing, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into why your Git branch might appear to be on the same line as master and how to fix it. I totally get it. Seeing your branch commits appear on the same line as master can be really frustrating, especially when you expect them to diverge. You're not alone in this. Many new Git users face similar issues. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my branch appear to be on the same line as master?" They created a branch called sprint_15 from master, but noticed that their commits seem to be on the same line. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this? When you merge branches, it can sometimes create a linear history, making it look like the branches are on the same line. This is especially true if you merge Sprint 14 into Sprint 15. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your branches more effectively in the future. To address the user's issue, we first need to understand the concept of branching in Git. When the user creates a new branch from master, it should diverge from the master branch. However, if the commits appear on the same line, it may indicate that the branch has not diverged properly. Next, the user should check the commit history to see how the branches are related. This can be done by using the command git log oneline-graph. This command will provide a visual representation of the commit history. If the user finds that the branches are indeed on the same line, they may need to create a new branch from the current state of master. This can be done by switching to the master branch and creating a new branch with the command git checkout-b new branch name. After creating the new branch, the user should make their commits on this new branch. This will ensure that the commits are properly separated from the master branch and will appear as a distinct line in the commit history. Finally, the user can merge their new branch back into master when they are ready. This can be done using the command git checkout master, followed by git merge new branch name. This will integrate the changes from the new branch into master. Fun fact, did you know that Git was created by Linus Torvalds, the same person who created Linux? Talk about a powerful tool. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user speculates that your feature branch appears on the same line as master because it is ahead by several commits. They suggest pulling the latest master to see if Sprint 15 then appears as a separate line. Additionally, they recommend using git bash to verify your branch's status if you're uncertain. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your branches organized and consider using descriptive names. This will help you avoid confusion in the future. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of why your Git branch appears on the same line as master. Remember, keeping your commit history clean is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Git techniques.